Good morning. Today's the 18th of July. And let's see where we are at. Okay. Let's have a look here. So these are the levels we drew out last week. They were they came up pretty good. This one was tested 3 times. It couldn't break this level. This level here was good. It opened below, spiked back up below, used this as a resistance, came back down, broke through all of them, came back and used this quite well for a sell-off in the week. It was actually a beautiful sell-off, I would say. But if you look at this on the 4 hour, these levels really respected. Look at this. Beautiful sell-off actually as well. Daily candles very good. What happened with ES? I haven't even had a look at ES yet. Okay, ES. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. What are we anticipating for the week ahead? We can change this to here. Make this a little bit bigger actually. I think I'll leave the level for now. Let's have a look at a bigger. Okay, so this is a level I drew out in like April. So my anticipation is that if we sell off, we will get we will get the market dropping to. Hey yo, come on, man. No, just give me the damn thing. I don't want to learn about it. There we go. We will get it falling to this green level here. I drew this up. I think it will go even deeper. So we should actually get into this level. Here, let's make this one the new red one. So this is one that will definitely be one that we'll be looking out for on the daily time frame. I think for the meantime, a level we can definitely believe it will come down to is around this level here. I've drew this level out a very long time ago as well. Look, matching it perfectly. And I think let me change this to a gray one. I'm gonna remove these. I think what we will get potentially for the upcoming week is this to fall, break this level for it to retrace back into this little void for it to come back down to here. Now, So these are the three levels I think everyone should be wary of. I think my bias is still a sell. And I do believe it will come down. The best trade will be a break here, or if it gets lower, for them to continue back up from down here. But I think if they come down here, then they will definitely go down here. So only small trades, not huge trades from down here, just to go up. This level would probably be for a lot bigger trade. But for now, I am in a bias of a sell. So a continuation of sells, I believe, will be the best one. Yes, I think these three levels for now are good. I will put one more level here. I would say, in my personal opinion, what you should be looking for is for it to break this level, to go back into this level for a sell, to go down to here, to break this level, back into this level, for a sell, down to here. And then from here, I would say actually do not look for sells anymore because I'm anticipating bullish behavior from here. So you'll get bullish behavior from here, this level, for it to go back up from there. But for now, I would like to just keep seeing some sells. Personally, I would like to see NQ mostly sell off to here from to go back up. Last week was a good evaluation for now. So now, what do we have? What were my results for the week? Actually, I didn't have a great week. My first day I took, what day was Monday? Monday was the 13th, so it should be the 12th. What day is this? Yeah, I took two losses on this trade. Got a winner here. Got a winner here as well. So I made my two back. But then, to be honest, on the last day, I took two more trades. I got really unlucky actually here. It was really sad. Not sad. That's the bad way to put it. But let me have a look on what I mean. Let's see what I did. Yes, the trades were here. So I actually had a buy limit here. So as soon as I put it down, it spiked me up. And I was like, damn. So I kind of did get emotional and I got back in. I got into this. Not emotional. I thought, okay, he spiked it now. My one's in play. And then took me out again. So I took my two losses and I gave myself about $1,000 a day to lose. And then left the trade for a sell here for this as the TP. But what I should have done is wait for this candle to close rather than getting on this candle. And I had already on these two losses been down about 950. So this $40 took me out and then it tanked. So I got really unlucky. But at the same time, good game, you know. Sometimes you come in and you do well, and sometimes you come in and you get unlucky. But you just gotta make sure that you don't let the losses get to you and you don't let the wins get to you as well. And you know, the best thing about doing one-to-ones is that you have a mindset of a winner, if that makes sense. So what I'm trying to say is what happens with a one-to-one is you create winning habits because you're continuously winning. And because you're continuously winning, you're always in a positive headspace. Now, the problem with the one-to-one is if you do go into a losing streak, then it's harder to recover. But your win rate is pretty good with a one-to-one. And I think for me, myself, my personality, a one-to-one is the best uh, form of trading. I think it's the easiest form of trading, and every now and then I see that actually I can go for more than one-to-one. So sometimes I will go for more than one-to-one because I know it's quite a good way. Like for example, this trade here was like an like 12-to-1 or like 13-to-1. But those you don't need that. You see what's going on the white end. Mm, 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 mm. So from Monday, what do I see? I see a open above for them to continue to go down. So I will start to look. Let's see what I want in on NQ. So yeah, see this here? I'm anticipating this level to shoot up and then potentially to sell off from down there. So let's see what happens. That's it, you know, not every week can be a winner. Most weeks have always made 1%, 2%, 1%, 2%. And now today is one of the first weeks in this year where I am 2% down. So let's see how I recover, you know. Thank you guys.